In Lesson 2, we're going to start looking at DNS. I'm going to cover the DNS components, DNS records and zones. We're going to look at how to create records in the zones themselves. I'm going to show you all the configuration settings for the DNS zones. We're going to configure forwarding so I can have one server pass request to another. And I'm going to cover how all of this integrates with Active Directory. This is, without a doubt, one of the most important lessons we actually cover, because everything you can think of that's important in your network actually depends on DNS. You cannot have Active Directory without a DNS server. Your database servers, email servers, even resources in the cloud like Azure or Amazon Web Services, they all require DNS to function. So this is a very important topic.